You're gonna buy golden goose, at least you're gonna get something that you won't see a lot of people wear, diba? You're gonna get something that's unique. Boka pa ano? Gawa ka na? Kamusta pala yung CNY jacket ni Mrs.? Okay naman yung fitting?
Malamig pa nga hanggang March nito, di ba?
Oo, actually na-move yung season eh. Hindi nga, parang hindi nga summer. Ay, hindi nga medyo minute ngayon.
Pero nung last
Yung oo, di ba? Ang lamig. Bo, gusto mo pala ice or hot?
Nice.
Ice, tigil lang yung yun. Brother!
Uy,
Tingnan mo,
thank
brother.
you. Ito, meron tayong to go. Sarap magawa ni brother.
Lagi kasi pag gawin si Brother Nixon, laging busy yan. Maraming ano yan, business deals yan guys. Hindi nyo natatanong ha.
Sarap pa.
Sarap no?
Paano ako pa?
No?
Nashock ako doon.
Oh, diba? Diba? Yun ang reaction ng ano, ng pang-legit. Yun yung reaction na masarap talaga versus nagiging polite lang. Di ba? Minsan polite lang. Simula na na-enjoy ko yung magawa ng sarili kong recipe. Based on paano mo itimpla, mababago mo talaga pala yung lasa ng coffee. Medyo na-enjoy ko yung pag-mix me everyday. Nagtitimpla na ako ng sarili kong recipe.
Did you find it hard to mag-transition from like back facing to front facing? Kasi now customer ka rin. Before B2B ka.
B2B, oo. Ngayon B2C na.
Natural lang sa'yo yan na from the client side perspective na ako bibili ko sa'yo. Paano nakikipag-sales?
Sales talk or ganyan.
Kasi in terms of dealer to ano eh.
Totoo. Kasi iba yung usapan, smoothie on the price, convenience ang usapan pag B2B. Pag B2C, it's more the emotional attack. Kailangan may emotional connection and all that. For me, naging natural siya just because I spent more than a decade working for a corporate world that handles customer service.
Gamit mo pala yung
Nagamit ko yung skills, yung experience and skills.
na-reactivate ng sales.
Oo, kaya nung nag-open kami dito, parang ang nangyari, ako mismo yung nagbebenta. And that's also serve as the training for the staffs. And sabi ko, watch how I deal with sales. I want you to mimic and then gano'n. Because I do the sales myself, I think I didn't have to tell people as much na parang okay ganito. Dapat hindi ko kailangan bantayan kasi they grew alongside with the store. Kasi na-observe nila first hand paano mo ginagawa.
Thank you, Jessica.
Welcome brother, salamat sa pagdalaw. It's a pleasure to have you lagi brother.
Dahil napupulot na aral para sa amateur na katulad ko.
Hindi mas ano to sa akin sa sa pag-aasil, mas ano to, mas
Gagayahin ko talaga sa'yo.
sipag. Thank you brother, salamat. Ingat kayo. Then guys, kwentuhan with brother Nixon, di ba? Nakaka-happy kapag dumadalo yung mga friends natin dito para mag-coffee, mag-chill, mag-relax. Yung purpose ng lounge guys di ba? Not all about the sales. To be honest kasi nagmahal yung individual if you notice nasa 15 years sa other stores. Pero I can give you 43.5 boss. Best. Di na agad. Tignan mo muna boss kasi hindi malaki.
Hindi sa akin sa ano.
Pang regalo. Kaibigan mo? Baka pwede maging friends natin. So yung makuha sa 10.5 na ano.
Sino bahala ka?
Opo, sige po.
Madali naman.
Wait lang, prepare lang po na. Bilis magregalo ni boss ah. Ano, 10.5. Double check ko lang madam yung yung size to make sure po na 10.5 na yung laman. Here madam. Double check yun. 10.5. The extra laces are here din po. So, and the dust bag. Okay, so nabenta natin yung On-Cloud 9 Altil T1 size 10.5 all white. We sold it for 43,500. Can you get the box then in the other pair para pakita natin yung Swarovski?
Kasi may other size po ito na
Stock kami na we got like 10 pairs. Tapos yun, pinareserve na po. Bago dumating dito, na-reserve na po yung mga VIP. Tapos yun na lang po yung size kasi rare din yung size na yan eh. Hindi po madalas na may maliit na size. Usually 37, 38 po yung nabigay natin. Worrying ng other customers namin when they buy the Swarovski kung matatanggal daw yung mga actually hindi. So far, most of our customers yung feedback nila mas durable pa nga ito compared to the regular. Yung glitters, hindi po siya nag-agad. So far po, yun ang feedback ng customers namin. Kasi we have clients that also buy the glitter. Yung version po kasi ng isa, yung hindi po Swarovski. Tsaka iba yung shine niyan ng Swarovski compared to the glitter. Iba po yung hinang niya. Oo. Swarovski kasi yun mami. What's your payment method po? Kasi yes, we do accept card, kaya lang I have a very little wiggle room with this couple card because we can do it. So if you're gonna pay via cash or bank transfer, I can give a better room for discount. Pag cash po, siguro I can give it lowest is at 43,000. Yes ma'am. If cash, sige, I'll give lowest 42. That's the best business. Sorry, that's very near our cost. Kasi they retail for yun nga, parang more than 50 yung retail nila sa store. Pag card, 44 na lang kasi yung terminal fee. Pero ang benefit naman sa card, if you have like PPI, you have 36 months, 0% interest. So hindi mo, yes, so hindi mo mararamdaman talaga yun. Yun naman yung benefit, pero a little bit higher lang because of the terminal fee. Sige, 43 card. Yes po, pwede rin po. You do have the option up until 24 months. 0% pa rin yun. So you won't feel the charge. Yes. This is your first golden goose. If you're gonna buy golden goose, at least you're gonna get something that you won't see a lot of people wear. Diba? You're gonna get something that's unique. Kasi you're paying for fingerprint naman eh. Minsan pag letter, nasa 38-40 pa yan. So go for Swarovski. Diba? So here, since it's Swarovski, they manually do the stones talaga versus all. Hindi siya mass-produced. Sige madam, nandito po tayo. Well, card, you're doing card? 43. Sige po. 43. It's the lowest talaga we've ever given for Sorok, ma'am. Maganda kasi yung araw mo, ma'am, eh. Medyo light, eh. Kaya, thank you, ma'am. Salamat po. Thank you. So, guys, we sold Golden Goose Swarovski. Sold it for only 43,000 pesos. So, medyo nag-discount tayo kay madam kasi piling ko parang ganun sa Swarovski. So, binigay ko na lang ng discount ng 2,000. Kahit last pair na natin.